Hey everyone, here's a couple of quick demos showing you some trigger-based webhooks. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and open up our trigger. Make sure that the URL is copy and pasted. We're going to duplicate this order for time purposes. Open our Trello and you can see that it came into bid status as that was created. Now if we go ahead and we submit this order, it's going to populate a tag for us in Trello in our ordered column. We can open that up and see all of the order details. Here is the same thing in Google Sheets, so copy the webhook URL, add it here into the actions and the triggers. And then as we save this order, it's going to immediately populate right there in the top column of our Google Sheet. So the possibilities of what you can do from here are endless for you, but there's a quick little overview.